Great textile patterns don't happen by accident. They're engineered with structure, rhythm, and intentional visual balance. How to design modern textile patterns. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a square canvas around 2,000 pixels to allow detailed motif work suitable for fabric scaling. Select the Shape tool or Pen tool to draw your first motif, keeping forms clean and contemporary, then choose harmonious colors from the Swatches panel to establish a modern palette. Duplicate the motif layer and reposition it using the Move tool while holding Shift so spacing remains consistent. Then group related elements so adjustments stay organized. To build